As a professional manufacturer and exporter of tissue paper machinery in China, we have been dedicating to whole complete automatic household tissue production line equipment from raw paper to finished package. Our products include toilet rolls packing machine, kitchen towel packaging machine, facial tissue packing machine, toilet paper and kitchen towel production line, facial tissue and hand towel production line, which are exported to Middle East Asian countries, Americas, Europe and Africa. Our company covers an area of 20,000 square meters, which is divided into official area, parts processing center, spare parts assembly line, whole machine assembly center and finished machine testing center. We have been committing to research and innovation for many years. We have a team of professional designers, so that all the machines are independently researched and designed. Our company has a number of national invention patents, and have passed the international certification CE, ISO 9001. These innovations are dedicated predominantly to the tissue paper converting and packaging machinery. We can design a whole line solution for clients from rewinding, cutting, packaging, conveying and stacking CAD. Product design is able to adapt to the global market packaging. Packaging design can be customized according to client's requirement. Improve product technical performance to promote production stability. Thereby our machines can reduce product loss and energy consumption. Improve product technical performance to promote production stability. Thereby our machines can reduce product loss and energy consumption.